LangGraph implements a streaming system that enables real-time data emission from tool functions, allowing for custom progress updates and arbitrary user-defined signals during execution. This mechanism leverages a stream writer accessible via getStreamWriter, which facilitates the transmission of structured key-value pairs directly from within tool implementations. The upcoming code demonstrates how to integrate this streaming capability into a tool function, where progress updates are emitted at specific intervals during database query execution. By setting the stream mode parameter to custom, the graph will yield these custom data chunks as they are generated, providing fine-grained visibility into the tool's operation without requiring modifications to the core graph structure.
From LangChain, Tools Import Tool. From LangGraph, Config Import getStreamWriter. At Tool, Def Query Database Query, SDR. Query the database. Hash access the stream writer to send custom data. Writer equals getStreamWriter. Hash emit a custom key value pair e.g. progress update. Writer data. Retrieved 0-100 records. Type progress. Hash perform query. Hash emit another custom key value pair. Writer data. Retrieved 100 records. Type progress. Return some answer. Graph equals. Hash define a graph that uses this tool. Hash set stream mode equals custom to receive the custom data in the stream. For chunk in graph, stream inputs stream mode equals custom. Print chunk.
This code demonstrates how to stream custom data from tools in LangGraph, enabling real-time progress updates or arbitrary user-defined data during graph execution. The pattern uses getStreamWriter to access a stream writer within a tool function, allowing the emission of custom key-value pairs that are then captured when stream mode equals custom is specified during graph execution. The mechanism works by first obtaining a writer instance via getStreamWriter, then using this writer to emit structured data like progress updates at any point during tool execution. When the graph is streamed with stream mode equals custom, these custom emissions become part of the stream output, appearing alongside other stream data if multiple modes are combined. This approach is particularly useful for long-running operations where progress feedback is valuable, or when integrating external services that don't follow LangChain's standard streaming interfaces. The trade-off here is between flexibility and complexity. While this pattern allows for highly customizable streaming behavior, it requires explicit handling of the stream writer and careful coordination between tool implementations and graph execution. The async limitations for Python 3.11 also mean developers need to be aware of version-specific constraints when implementing this pattern in asynchronous contexts. Let's break it down.
From LangChain, Tools Import Tool.
Imports the tool decorator from LangChain's tools module, which enables creating callable functions that can be used as tools in LangChain applications.
From LangGraph, Config Import getStreamWriter.
Imports the getStreamWriter function from LangGraph's config module, which provides functionality for handling custom streaming data within graph nodes.
At Tool, Def Query Database Query, SDR. Query the database.
Defines a tool function named queryDatabase that accepts a string parameter, query, and returns a string. The decorator at tool marks this function as a tool that can be used within a LangGraph workflow, and the docstring indicates its purpose is to query a database.
Hash access the stream writer to send custom data. Writer equals getStreamWriter.
Retrieves the streamWriter object by calling the getStreamWriter function and assigns it to the variable writer. This writer will be used to send custom data through LangGraph streaming system, enabling real-time updates from within graph nodes.
Hash emit a custom key value pair, e.g., progress update. Writer data, retrieved 0-100 records, type, progress.
Calls the writer function with a dictionary containing 2 key value pairs. Data, set to the string, retrieved 0-100 records, and type, set to progress. This emits a custom progress update indicating that 0 out of 100 records have been retrieved, likely for real-time streaming or monitoring purposes.
Hash emit another custom key value pair. Writer data, retrieved 100 records, type, progress.
Calls the writer function with a dictionary containing 2 key value pairs. Data, set to the string, retrieved 100 records, and type, set to progress. This emits a custom progress update indicating that 100 out of 100 records have been retrieved.
Return some answer.
Returns the string literal some answer as the output of the current function or execution context. This is a simple value return that terminates the function's execution and provides the specified string to the caller.
Graph equals, hash define a graph that uses this tool.
Creates a graph variable that will use a specific tool as indicated by the comment. The actual graph definition is omitted in this segment, but the comment clarifies that the graph will incorporate this tool.
For chunk in graph, stream inputs, stream mode equals custom.
Iterates over a stream of chunks from the graph's custom streaming mode, processing each chunk as it arrives. The stream mode equals custom parameter configures the stream to emit custom data from graph nodes, allowing real-time handling of arbitrary user-defined updates or progress signals. Each iteration receives 1 chunk of this custom streamed data.
Print chunk.
Prints the value of the variable chunk to the standard output. This is a simple debugging or logging statement that displays the contents of chunk at this point in the execution, typically used to inspect data during development or troubleshooting. The output will appear in the console or terminal where the script is running. LangGraph's custom streaming mechanism enables real-time progress updates and arbitrary user-defined signals directly from tool functions. The pattern hinges on 3 key components: the getStreamWriter function that provides access to the streaming interface, the structured key value pairs emitted via the writer, and the stream mode equals custom parameter that activates this custom streaming behavior during graph execution. The tool function uses getStreamWriter to obtain a writer instance, then emits progress updates as structured dictionaries containing data and type fields. These emissions become part of the stream output when the graph is executed with stream mode equals custom, allowing for fine-grained visibility into tool operations without modifying the core graph structure. The trade-off here is between flexibility and complexity. While this approach allows highly customizable streaming behavior, it requires explicit handling of the stream writer and careful coordination between tool implementations and graph execution. The async limitations for Python versions below 3.11 also introduce version-specific constraints that developers must consider when implementing this pattern in asynchronous contexts.
The progress writer announces 0 records, while the answer already waits in the stream.